doesn't matter. So why do we do an echo is it gives an understanding about the anatomy. Structural abnormalities. Very clearly seen, there is no confusion. Heart is there or not, right side or left side. That is the first thing I do. It gives you an understanding about the physiology. Can you tell me an example of physiology? Can you tell me an example of anatomy? What anatomy you want to see? Simple thing, congenital heart disease, hole in the heart. This is structural anatomy. What physiology you want to assess? Fluid, yes. I am not happy. Fluid is what? Fluid where? Ejection fraction, what is it? It's a simple physiological assessment. Stroke volume, what is it? Simple physiological assessment. Cardiac output, simple physiological assessment. So these are the physiological assessments. Structural assessments are what is there as a heart. So these are the things which are precisely assessed. This is very, very important. These are precisely assessed. There is no confusion. There is no inter-observer or intra-observer variation. So that is very, very vital. Now before going to my simple lecture, so tomorrow you are going to take this patient. You know, your surgeon has called, sir, all of you people. This is the patient I am going to take tomorrow for a lap cholecystectomy. She is actually nearly 36 or 40 years. No symptoms, examination is normal. Patient is posted tomorrow. He has given you the ECG and X-ray. You have looked at it, ECG and X-ray. Any concerns for you in taking the patient tomorrow? But echo is not given. Echo you decide, you have to decide. I am on call, so if you ask me an echo, I will show you. If you don't want an echo, I will not do you. So do you really need an echocardiogram? Yes. Half of you may say yes. Half of you may say no. Half of you may say maybe. If echo is there, okay, that is good, additional routine thing. Never do echocardiogram as a routine. Echocardiogram is never done as a routine procedure. Echocardiogram, you have to respect it. You have to give it the value. Then only it will come to your mind. You do it as routine, it is a routine thing. Listen, don't never ever do echocardiogram as routine. You are not concerned now. You don't want an echocardiogram? The cardiothoracic ratio, your registrar or senior registrar comes and says CT ratio is 70%. Yeah? Why do you have not asked an echo? How can you take this patient for lap chole? Okay, we will leave the confusion. At the end, I will come. What I have done it. What is the easiest thing with an ultrasound? They have all said, my previous speakers, enjoy the echocardiogram. Don't do an echocardiogram. If you are doing it, it becomes monotonous, routine. What is there? 4 chamber, 2 chamber, some velocity. No, you should enjoy. Enjoy the thing in an echocardiogram. The easiest way to enjoy with the echocardiogram is assessment of fluids. How do we do it? How many hours of sitting here now? Since morning, how many of you? Nearly 3 hours? Good. So after 3 hours, definitely you will see, all your bladders are full here. So easiest way. Fluid is the easiest and sensitive thing an ultrasound detects. No confusion anywhere in the world. You put the probe right side, left side, up, down, this way, that way, never. Put it over